मेरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से लोग आए हैं, सबका आशीर्वाद है हमारा साथ।
Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma filed his nomination papers on Friday for the upcoming assembly elections, marking the official start of his campaign. Sarma, who is contesting from Jalukbari, submitted his nomination at the Kamrup Metropolitan District Election Office. Ahead of filing, he led a rally from the veterinary field in Kanapara to the election office in Hengrabari, covering a distance of approximately 5.6 kilometers, drawing large crowds of supporters along the route.
Requested Honorable Prime Minister for 4 rally, and we have requested Honorable Home Minister for 6 to 8 rally. We have also requested Sri Nitin Nabinji as well as Sri JP Naddaji to visit Assam during election.
Sir, every election you break your own record. Sir, what is your
I think this time number of voters is less because of delimitation. But having said so, we will have better result than last time.
Thank you so much.
This will be my 7th election. First election I lost. Thereafter, next 5th election I won. Today will be my 7th election, and hopefully I will get full support from my constituency as well as from people of Assam.
What do you have to say, Dada? Because Mr. Gogoi is saying that this is an election between Congress and Himanta Das. We need to ensure
That's good. I mean, if Congress party elevated me to an institution, then I should feel happy. I offer my deep thanks to deep gratitude to him that instead of fighting with a party, he said he is fighting with an individual. That means today I have become an institution. I am not so, but anyway, if you get a compliment, you should thank.
a lot of Congress leaders that have come, from Congress to BJP and
I
any
think
senior leaders.
today evening also lot of Congress people will join.
Congress is saying that you have posed on their leaders just ahead of election.
I am going to have each and every Hindu people in the fold of BJP. That is my mission. Because Hindus should be united. So, one of my mission in life is to unite Hindu Samaj. So, why people should be in Congress party and do anti-Hindu activity. So, they should come to their natural home.
तेज बारिश के बावजूद काफी सारे लोग 30,000 से ज्यादा लोग आए आपके साथ।
देखिए, सारे तो लोग हैं, कोई मेरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है, कोई मेरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से नहीं है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, सारे लोग मुझे आशीर्वाद दिए हैं। लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी जी जो असम के लिए काम किए, विकास किए, तो सारे लोग मोदी जी को वोट देगा, ये मैं विश्वास करता हूँ।
So what is the main plank on which you are contesting this election this time?
We want to secure identity of Assam. We want to have more faster development for Assam. विकास and परिषद, यही दो हमारे मुद्दा हैं।
आप हमेशा इलेक्शन मोड में ही रहते हैं, लेकिन अभी चुनाव का डंका जो कि बज गया है, कब से फुल स्विंग में कैंपेन शुरू
26 तारीख से 23 तारीख को मेरा नॉमिनेशन, 26 तारीख से मैं रोड में ही रहूंगा।
Several prominent candidates from both the ruling BJP filed their nominations on the day, signaling the beginning of a high-stakes electoral battle in the state. Sarma's move comes amid keen political interest, with all eyes on whether the BJP can retain its stronghold in Assam in the 2026 polls.